Hey everyone, welcome back to ComTech. Today we're diving into one of the most important parts of any PC build, the power supply unit or PSU. Now it might not be the flashiest component, but it powers every part of your system. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or casual user, understanding your PSU can help you make a smart choice for a safe and reliable setup. So, let's jump right in. So what exactly is a PSU? Simply put, the power supply unit takes the power from your wall outlet and converts it into a form that your computer can use. It's like the heart of your system, delivering the energy needed for your CPU, GPU, motherboard, storage drives, and every other component. Without a reliable PSU, your PC might randomly shut down, crash, or even damage your hardware over time, so picking the right PSU isn't just about keeping things powered, it's about ensuring stability and safety for your entire system. One of the first things to consider when choosing a PSU is the wattage, or how much power it can supply to your components. Wattage can range from around 300 watts for basic setups to over 1,000 watts for high-performance gaming or workstation builds. To figure out how much power you need, look at your CPU, GPU, and other parts. Online PSU calculators are helpful here. You can enter your build's details, and they'll suggest a minimum wattage. It's a smart idea to get a PSU with a little more power than you actually need. That way, you're covered if you upgrade later, and it helps the PSU run more efficiently. Next, let's talk about efficiency. You'll see a lot of PSUs with 80+ ratings, which show how efficiently the PSU converts power from the wall into power for your PC. The higher the rating, the less energy is wasted as heat. These ratings include levels like bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and titanium. For most builds, an 80+ bronze or gold PSU is a solid choice, offering good efficiency and a balance between performance and cost. Now let's dive into the cables in a PSU. You'll notice PSUs come in non-modular, semi-modular, and fully modular designs. This affects the cable setup. 1. Non-modular PSUs have all the cables permanently attached. This can make cable management a bit tricky, as you might have extra cables that you don't even use. However, these tend to be the most affordable option. 2. Semi-modular PSUs allow you to detach some of the cables, so you're only left with the essential ones. This setup is easier for cable management while keeping costs lower than a fully modular PSU. 3. Fully modular PSUs let you detach all the cables. This allows you to choose only the cables you need, making your build cleaner and improving airflow inside the case. It's great for advanced users who want a tidy build, but fully modular PSUs are generally more expensive. Let's go over some of the common cable types you'll find in a PSU 24-pin ATX cable. This is the main power cable that connects the PSU to your motherboard. It's essential for powering all components connected to the motherboard. CPU power cable. Usually labeled as a 4+4 or 8-pin EPS connector, this cable supplies power to your CPU. It connects to a slot near the CPU socket on your motherboard, and high-performance motherboards may require 2 of these connectors. PCIe cable. This cable powers your graphics card or any other PCIe devices you might have. They come in 6-pin and 8-pin configurations, and some GPUs require 2 or even 3 of these connectors for high power demands. SATA cable. This one powers SATA drives such as SSDs and HDDs, as well as other components like optical drives. Molex cable. This older cable type is mostly used for fans or lighting in some systems. It's less common now as most modern components use SATA or other connectors. Cable management is key in any build as it improves airflow and keeps your system looking clean. With modular and semi-modular PSUs, you can remove unused cables, which helps with organization and cooling. Another thing to keep in mind is quality. Quality is crucial when it comes to PSUs. Stick to reputable brands like Corsair, EVGA, Seasonic, and Cooler Master. These brands are known for making high-quality PSUs and usually offer solid warranties. A reliable PSU can mean the difference between a smooth-running system and one that's constantly giving you issues or even putting your components at risk. If your PC is randomly shutting down, acting unstable, or you hear strange noises from your PSU, it might be time to consider getting a new one. PSUs can wear out over time, especially with heavy use. Also, if you're upgrading to a more powerful GPU or CPU, check if your current PSU can handle the extra power. Alright, that's a quick overview of PSUs and the different cables you'll encounter. From wattage and efficiency to modular designs and cables, there's a lot to keep in mind when picking the right PSU. A quality PSU makes your PC more reliable, efficient, and cleaner if you go modular. If you found this helpful, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to ComTech for more tech tips and guides. And if you have questions about choosing a PSU, drop them in the comments. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.